bia eye no kore na otimi de chim e ma yehu NDC ne pa ya ma o man Ghana nti ne fe na Santama NDC club e church NDC wonsem yes also ye grassroots campaign pa grassroots campaign tik pa eno ho adwuma na ye ne more but what ma say the senti enam grassroots campaign e nti wo be yan se wo be nya nipa wo mo information to be able to convince others eno na ife Santama NDC yeshiem yawada bia e wo Roman Hill fikasim when yeshia ti mechia me kro mai so kama mira won say asema mrahye bedwafo no esiye e ma yira abamba ben kan no no kretro do kire say yero church oseche mensa bonsu ona ye leader of government business e parliament nti aban bia free samre akosi se budget no ahoden beba wiye no wono na ebedi animu ama ya eden yaka ho asem budget ya anya ntuma oman no the machinery of government will grant to a halt not just say ya anya budget antuma sika no ukoyi a etiamra emra so so na de ma akwan mo aye appropriation akasi afi age atumi ama akwan say estimates in fa ye adwuma na leader of government business emma ho no de na kire. It tells you say chairman sabon so say budget we the most useless budget, the most non-visionary budget. Budget I win it was so fair. So better mami e bobo hu ko le person ko. E den afi we free ho. E den afi we free ho. It is the most uninspiring budget I show to show check. Budget I won suru uniform. Mama had no cardinal one issue. Budgety, I say, obey the expenditure. 222.6 billion. And a pay. Now, on any revenue mobilization projection, a classical bit of my muhanum by way of taxes, and then near Menina, obet me 176 billion. That's just say sika one can say expenditure obey no any sika obey no there's a gap of 51 billion.
Okay,
I was on copper bosia ebesoso na bosia so ewiase nyina no Ghana has been blacklisted as a bankrupt state by Moody's and Fitch ratings. Somebody ban and say Moody's class out there but say you free janko. You drew below junk state and say well mine economy the ye we your car for mine what the car won't mean to a car minimum what from what boka what bubu or man any maguasi or naka for any until we are seeing now blacklist here from 2022 last year e be seen Ghana kwaje obusia bia me mai
another topic but
me me case so say it is a washa or mine a bankrupt state. What you say? It is chairman supposed to say appropriation budget e kwaje to me. And first budget ni na so bia ma man chichire. Enti wotremo ye ngwase ma no. Wa ntremo a obi kan say esu to apetampe. Esu anto apetampe. Enti budget ni hwe de ma man no. Ti no chairman supposed. Wa so referee me na metete say so supervise di. Na kanya numpo ni wu budget na ni wu. O man ya wo kopa bosi obi amma wo. Was a mess up of 51 billion. What that Diana so we had. To a budget has nothing to offer.
Does it mean a budget you be really if it has nothing to offer Tina on Snap? I don't think so.
No, I didn't know you also.
I said that now it's now.
I don't know so much I didn't want to say to Masabusu or your penny or parliament or back at one. And it's on to me, ma, and you're just a phone call away to speaker. Say speaker wadaroma bibi betukwan ana bibi nti me yakuma deputy minority leader ebe jama name lead the discussion won ma and won say ni excuse bia and information bia nti a won ma eno na ma ababa me so chairman say bonsu sorry a won ma eno no na no di campaign achi wo hu say ba bia budget woni ni fa akofo do budget woni fa so papa bia de mo man no nti okopasi won ankasa ne political further interest eno nam campaign ebe hunu mobo ni ayi ni minister ebe hunu momo ni ayi ni vice bisa di ye tete no a na be bia bro no di o man no di anim wani guasem Aka meka no.
But I say, my memra, now remember Mira, of course, I feel no so no, Waba Abidru, Mira James, Agri Fifi Sean, about Bidru Pacho, Aquaba.
Yenia.
Pacho,
Yamina do Muhi, papa.
And the way you meet and say,
oh, yes. Yes. Ma Ozicano, Maminchia, it's a fuina. Oh, yes, 100%. You know. God.
Into my future last started.
Oh, I can speak the tree very well. I can speak the Ashanti very well. But we are all Ghanaians, right? I have to. I have to. The any kind of mamincha metie phone na mincha yahwefo so. Na minia NDC ne ono di kan ya wababru ma so minchia no papa. Me gidi se adwuma ne sa ye no eyodo. Na minchia de Oforikrom constituency. The delegates, the MPP, those matters, the regional executives, then to the central region, one caller, Wafayao.
Okay,
Wafayao. I think it's Wafayao. In Nakwa Wafayao. I don't know him. I've not met him before, but I used to be here, so I think the voice Wafayao. Yeah, in Nakwa. Lady Diane. Yes, I heard you on 2 or 3 stations, and today is my first time. I think I heard you on Otek FM before, right? That's right. You did well, marvelously well, marvelously well. Today being the first day, yes, the topic on the floor is the why Chimi Sabunsu is absent for why Parliament. Mesre Miniano NDC for say enya fe na Chemi Sabunso ababe leader of the majority. You are bambabin. Why minority leader? Why majority leader? Why minority leader? Majority leader? And then yamia dum and our babe speaker. Yembi said the number of times that time now no ye majority leader no or ye absent in parliament. Ye free BB emergency. And ye sound free BB the leadership. Now Chemi Sabunsu, ye were Chemi Sabunsu, a MPP for Ghana for Etena Semase, a Ghana for Yuhuna Negi Niaje, is also penino, a bon homo din palm or mino. And you know one as a person, but on mino, ye hiano, on mino, you would jidia, and on mino so no, what be ye be a more mino, busu ye be more mino. Lady, yes, a vice president you took wine. You be here say obi be church the near maybe ma parliament for ebia mpempenso modu, and he being the leader of majority as so could be. It is a year that Chemi Sabunsu or Kobia na boni be na so ne vice to kwai na do baby na so mo kire mi enum de kire na no mo atrankonwa a omo wo sampe so ana so na se Chemi Sabunsu ko no kwa tiri mu akire na no matrankonwa se body bi enimu then so NDC for so mu say we dwane on parliament and so hwehin
na mi ra me sebi so adenti na onko lim se sebi bo Ghana sikasam ho na ono so na ka sebi odi mu tintima ade no kwa sebi wanka bibia fa nchire ira bamba be
rei ma me Diana bigiri yi se mo bekaya bibiye ni ho a esi ho kwan se yuro Chemi Sabunsu tu kwan ha on mamane enti wo be kai ye se ye program bi wo Ghana parliament house yina ye nim se yewura vice president na yire ye fere Samira nenso ebi wo do wo se ye be koto ba bi enim na speaker enim na wabodi no di ocho aye di fufuro na ye den ekoto ho enti wo Chemi Sabunsu se na kwan ne kwa na bi pa na endu nanim ebi so kwa na fe na because we say pass through the crack and say na kwa do the speaker nim enti ebi kwa na endu nanim na no so mu ye de bo amane ye say we jane on ma parliament. How many days, how many months and why absent from the parliament? Enti ye wo bibia ye fe no emergency as I said enti ebetimi aba say sa country no kra no eba putupu. Iwa baba bin we bia ye was ebia atona Ghana for ye so mu ye say ye baba bin be ye leader no o ye emergency ba otumi ko bone bi anim ni wunye nti a ese yewura chemesa bonsu de se be koto de ne bodwe ne yan kire de wadaroma yenkunu enti bi wo bone bi awaye
okay enti omunya kasa no
ese se ye kasa no na no ye kasa be ebe boaye
na enti se wontu se running mate so ko pay enti na sebi so sebi nyara se de odi ne ho hye his excellency vice president flag bearer elected ya obi choose na
the regional minister honorable Simon Osemensa the regional minister otumini vice president ekoshia na airport ede ne nante eko na nanoma trankonwa eko project a eko so asantemem ha eno okwa kope vice edi Diana okope vice edi it is you what chairman sabosu ne regional vice president nantia eno chese vice da open di mintia there be
Tibia na ewodi omwatinte because every Ghana rumor, you know, there was a little truth in it.
yes
Pastor to I bet you just say, hey, papa, yes, I'm sure running mate who born when he had the so far as someone say, hey, excellency vice president two and with him with it, which means oh yes and you know.
the vice president took kwaya she no entourage odi ogunam education minister ka
okay
energy minister ka ho what is entourage odi omunam no omu na so kopɛ vice identity no mo ne nam ana dey be why you konisa ye konisa emwa yen ye konisa emwa yen it be gini is ye nua no NDC fo no adwobre o omonto omobwase adwobre o cheme saboso ho be gini is adwuma pa bia obi aye bia no eda nanim etwen no.
That's when you have a repertoire and we moving on to
the next me nim sade but me uncle kase enye nan the first time you see juma in the parliament there were crucial moments
okay
there were emergency moments
okay.
Even parliament kra omo call recess it means afre omo ba e betena asem bi so akonhoma bosika we so hwe niam e made two liman aban a yes liman presented budget and the budget was thrown away 1978
okay
now either 79 or 78 mo back liman presented budget to parliament budget ni anyantu he sent to mine no granted to a halt bibia ankoso bibia anya adwuma ene ma AFRC for etu liman so onye competent enough and to say no say mensa bonsusu eya ma to mine no because minority is a what on me minority we have our full squad yeah 137 minority my 137 and on my parliament so ye share gina e bi na yentimi am follow quorum a na mu pai mi no a the motion or the subject matter is deemed void
okay
nti say ye dwunju ni nyina ho wie na ya fa nya adwuma akosi sen ya to atwa
ti said Papa Kai, Wadaromo, and I did was say, na bureau say,
some may also
free parliament,
emergency moment, yentina. I was say some a crucial moment within the government space. And there was a war.
Okay.
To do vice president, vice president, one more number, Ubakudin a chibi. Now I'm reading Yakupo. Papa will grad here. Me tell people for one more number. And this is what economic management. Nitre there was some of
Diana my offer see me give you say na nka ko baby ami na ye mpese ye be ye university be ba pacho right
whatever vice president one more number take hu hia kontra parliament ho woni me tia me kase de da me uncle kan the entire me pass or parliament on say whatever crucial moment we dey want me mampo afa ni die ma penyina wote e fa ne say wote adwam eye babin eye phone call away but say babin betimi atras yakas and mean speak say message enter parliament there is a growing concern it me so say ye di o man ni mu nkomo bi na edu ba crucial moment bi a dey tell yam for obi a metre ni mu so o me leader at least dedicate adwuma no ma wo bi delegation ma speaker antia say afenyoma ken ebedi dwuma no afenyoma ken beto aso na sa wo kwa wan kra de panyin yesa
yes Dina osi vice president omonoma yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bahomia embonoma Dina omo flag bearer John Mahama ye jai omani na hyenesa enfie wotwe omani ye jai hyenesa enfie wotwe Dina say me no be ka tell ozi media musa ma me opportunity bi wa mesi mortuary de amamo mortuary also besi mortuary no de amaye Ghana fo asante ma mu ya yewura John Mahama eba ha ozi me ye kwan na me di gold kura fa so a asante fo mo beka se me nye hwe anya mu feda
anya no kure
me pa cho ma me nka ma se me so
anya no kure
o peri me ye di o man kasa o
Matias
Dina no kure so ye bibia ma ya
na anya no kure
Dina
anya no kure sister
what then that he want to come to Ashanti
yes Moses Sam Subai ya ma mama de anya mo fe
yes Dina so one is for Subai
wakasa wasi Ashanti region
operating one manonti Dina we were having millions of dollars Jomama SSR the Korean confirm or say confirm na ma sikama ma
damn so
sikama ma and confirm na ma
there is so yes wa
SSR go dia na ka me pesa me ko ho o mo dia betum na say nipa no no bonoma Jomama bonoma enti Jomama ni Bahomia ejira ho a hwan na bonoma
mo
Dina what's say your dollars o be kai Kumasi airport $9 million also the for one light to pay the best chef for more that $1 million you be can want to visit the whole airport the whole airport inti Dina the smart no kana na pay me pese me yele boko it is sound open the ya ye be ko girigiri Dina what you say inti wona say Jackson Edwada obema ya kodo boko
ya kombeka
of course one bantam moving on to the next topic for this morning. You're live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube Koowaa TV, some darkos and initiative some darkos TV, so you're streaming live on to subscribe to your channel no now like you page you know what comment you know what share now I so and you be share and I don't pay your next topic you be share and the same your friend is a budget out finance minister Eddie Tuja said your son said your nato abeto jabo go corner of parliament house is Ghana was said sebi na don ko father the penny for one more ecoposia na one more TV dia ba be ye edwuma one more TV awie na when na one ko be dia ese mo ko se we dia ese mo madana se ana one more say this ko be dia ese ya ba ako mane
Dana we da see bebre any etiefo muti ni yahwefo na there's never true in it say baby ni wa ye no krese yakose yekope bosia omo se omo mfe maye say nye ne bitu studio ha wo kasa se ni a never enti say NBC for copyright one papers no mo sha se omo di gu abonten a so be ka present ko for type ye be ko akai afia ye di be ko awieye no e no mo ko print say president Kufo e wo sikase e wo bank we wo sikase wo Switzerland we wo sikase guha we wo sikase guha ye ko hwe mu na na hwe buada no kra bi anim so it's never true you have not been to anywhere ye ko pe bosia almost o mo fe ma ye o mo tire be bia ye ko ye o mo tire country kwa ye ko ye banga ye ko ye ase ye se kwa ko pe bosia gina ye nimsam se yakwa IMF ma ye sikase ye mfen suso yasen ye mfen so economy ni ye mfen hwe ni me bi ba ku mienu a e bia e betimi ama Ghana fo ho ahare o kakra aye guso aye ye ho adwuma so it's never true say yakwa baby say yakwa ko bosia it's never true
that's it what it
anya no kura susu ye me anka kan anya no nya no kura se wo mo ko pa busi mbi nya bida
e mo adwene
e kas me na me ma me ma me ma statistical proof me eye me ye say you reach men sabos but dia Ashanti na mosa. Oh me ba me can see asem. See me ya pa say any the delegates of MPP in Ashanti region who voted massively for Dr. Bawumia. And it's the reason why Ghana come be a bobo say I am. Omo di Ashanti region yamo. Dr. Bawumia is the reason I am telling you. Meba may customers indulge me. I mean fast me see. Where di Ashanti men yamo di Ashanti region yamo gidi. Any the delegates on to Abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Okay? Only put me catch Ghana for say Ghana card back. The whole of us watch interchange back 100. Now, so small, what interchange with the crew. Northern region, what I'm going to interchange. No, about the two presidents go forward for say interchange. And because of that, Ashanti region interchange Makuma for president go forward promise Ghana. Araga interchange, Araga Junction interchange. So I'm run about interchange. Santasun about interchange. I want to run about interchange. I could forward on your back. 5 in or because of 4 yes 4 interchanges and no more twice as single filling station. So I say one of the 2 president go forward to say Ghana card home of us watching interchange in Masia Point. No nipa way more nipa wa boss antiman former boss and one mass antiman yen as well was antiman. What Ghana from say now once I saw the said the circle to Abaman so be the money and then I'm raising Benya. Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia, the chairman of the economic management team. Until my budget bosia or my budget what you say? He is the chairman of the team that is managing the economy. We are not a Sema Ghana. If we are saying Kuntebu mono, you say, Uba bosia would debt to GDP, you can't debt to GDP. Or mine bosia yet, or mine car ye day. Any sika ye generating or mine when you may in a cambo moi. Any one say, who cost 65% of your debt. But what must say? They said, oh, Bobosia now what they are doing at home. And all people are buying. Ebe go home said your mama Bosia. And so can your mama Bosia no wajia. Now 56% to GDP. Not just say yes, I walk quite your friend fiscal space. You walk quite a bit me as I Bosia there you put to Juma. Your Bobosia now doing that. MPP are buying a buy, you know. Wabobosia tre we are seeing Kuntebu mu hihye 65% MPP atra. And the aqua could do 104. Say as we speak, you have 98% to GDP. Just say you fly your Yamai or Kamai or Kafo Didi. And you be near them. You fly Ghana, oh, come baby Abosiana Bogana, we call Muntia. And since last year 2022, 18 December, ebesi some no can say foreign debt in tua ba abofo ebi o mo kan wiase nyina ye tua kapre eno ana Moody's adwumaku o mo ye economic ratings aka che wiase nyina ase 3 weeks ago o ma ka che wiase nyina ase Ghana e junk state CCC rating ye da CCC wa bra John Mahama o ne B minus and then ye dia ko CCC beyond junk baller state ye do man si ka se me bi enye and until I feel last year, MPP are buying Pebosia. When you be, when you be, me say MPP are buying. There be one Pebosia ko roadshow abrochenya. Obi a Morgan Abosia. Oh, Oma Kobo US. Hey, Oma Kobo German. What to say? I'm telling you. What can I say? President, Vice President. Because Vice President, it took a says a man for say, a Bosia de Macron, Macron, say Macron, and Fabosia, Macron, Paris Club for Nenkasa, now Bosia do Omono, Omun question my. Okay, so almost I call Macron for catcher and say, on China for Chow, not China, yet the China for Quaka 1.9 billion. Yako China for Copa China for like $1.9 billion. Yako China for Sister Kanya Mipia on Magic. Kotoka International Airport. That is what is say. I am Biwani na Penkatem. And the way we are in some of Parliament, as we speak now, ɔman no yɛ sika sama to apia yɛkɔpɛ bosia baabi a ɛma yɛ wonim sɛ sɛ kebɛnya bia IMF nkwa yɛdi hɔ 9 months IMF bosia ne yɛkɔpɛ no yɛdi hɔ 9 months sɛ ne wiase baabi bɛma yɛ bia kegyina IMF ati saa 9 months ɛna ɔma yɛ $660 million wonim sɛ last 3 weeks na IMF ɔba kuro yi ɔmo na ɔmbɛyɛ staff level agreement wɔn se adanti na ɔmba yɛ no second tranche ɔmo anfa ama yɛ wɔn sɛ akɔfo ado nkonta a wɔbu wɔ first tranche ɔde ma yɛ ɛnhwɛ ni discard of the quoted it that's the reason why say chairman's abonso bɛ so ɔbɛtra budget ɛni wu na ɛni wu a wudwane yɛ akɔfa mpafe nam na akɔfa mpafe nam wudwane saa bɛ ne kura mi wu afi nti mi duma no si sɛ ɛyɛ nukure turo do sɛ wɔ man Ghana as we speak now yɛyɛ bankrupt state ɛka twa ɛho ahyia yɛka yɛwɔ per this budget a kenufurata kɔnyin kan yɛ no yɛ debt to GDP ɛyɛ 98.4%. yɛaboro ka ma ɛka twa ɛho ahyia ɛnyɛ adeɛ a yɛkɔpa bosia yɛbɛma yɛ bi tinye sɛ dwa wɔn na ka so wɔn kɔ IMF da ɛn before the kan yɛn kɔ IMF today yɛnya yi levy a yɛn kɔ IMF yɛn kɔpa bosia bi awɔ baabi a wɔn gyi levy ni wie nom sa anso wɔn na wɔn kɔ IMF atwe wɔn mu saa ma wɔn 600 2.340 na aka no IMF kɔ se wɔn se car kofa do bayi wɔn se nkonta kofa do yɛ wɔ 660 million na wɔn de ma yɛ ɛnsɛn ni nti wɔn fa ma ebisa sɛ wɔn de ma yɛ ana wɔn kɔ ɔkafoɔ na Dr. Bawumia di anim ma ya broke ante sɛ wɔ saa se ɛfɔ ma no ɛwura di nyame
they are master of liars. NDC de wo mu si tete omo bebu no ewo communication mu no entro no do so toto
pepa chompo no
Jackson Pachanya abotre it's never true. IMF bema osika obi se yeru adwomhama e ma ko IMF no and IMF no so be kaya went to IMF President Kufuor ko IMF Jomahama eko Atamas the late Atamas nyame fa ne krensie yi oko IMF Jomahama eko IMF o kawie na wo mu di nkoma ye nkukuru sika ni na bum ni efe ma they give it to you trenches enti ye dia edi nkan ba ni eto so edi nkan ba ni eto so so bedi nkan ba ebe enso beba
omse medi
na here is the case
omse medi omba
Jackson
open fachem
me ba TV me ko TV ni radio am very decent enti me fachem enti IMF enko kan baby a enko sia baby a o wo se obi ye bisa ne se ehimfa na MPP bank ba me yekoye a yekobo be se ayamfa ba ototo papa so de nam saa na company bi group bi ene kaaye na wa ye le toka enti se one to obo ase anchechire mu anchire etiefo ne ahwefo a no ebinim afato wontrim it's never true enye no kure MPP nko baby aso kobo be se a enye no kure okay bibi for interchanges ho o se Dr. Bawumia akoye interchange on krom and Dr. Bawumia betumi akoye interchange on krom eye MPP oman na ye chichire no na ye hu se interchange na hu be hia enti MPP aban project a oye bia no ese so hwe so no ye ene na wakoye interchange ni bi won northern part of Ghana Greater Accra and Ashanti region ene mu na mu bedi da se dina o drive fa swame a hwe de way yesie biem wo swame feasibility studies so ye wie project assessment ni na no eguso a ekoso ebetu baby na sikasem esem ko pesika be den ebegum contractors also otu omuka eka wo MEC fo burbu ho but I blame my party executives MEC fo eka wo ko burbu wa mo ka kire Ghana fo se MEC fo ma ya boka ebinu mama ye sesi fom ye ba ye no dina se ye so mo pa biam ene ye twe omo ase edi court enkenye mi say MEC fo nya tumi a omo ni twa tro TV so ni radio so no se aka no ye gu so aye twa dina MEC fo ka omo bubu ho o kai se ye gwa jomama boka obo besina ye twa the 44 years one the second one ye twa the 41 years and the last one 52 years lady dina NDC jomahama and the boss abusina na ye twa enti ye boy na ye omo koko de John ye politicians de ye na ye nianu eni ade se ye so omo pa biam ene ye twe omo a anke wo nianu and most of the sikani baby only ko share bia no anka yen sakedi ye nya ni nampa eti mesre no ye ka project a hwe bonkra ene ko he wo kese gu a yi adwuma ndc ni ne sabe so mo no je adwuma ni gu ho ene ko he bonkra in port dina eju so he yawo be modern drive na kokko he ko hwe wo kese gu a mpp ye ba ye ya contractor na form wo adwuma mu a wo gu so mo yi adwuma ni na na ye o man chichire ni bia ni na ye mpuntu aba Ashanti region ebi ni oka eye oforikrom interchange amaga interchange eye projection ye kaso obi a ye hwe ye bi ma ebi a ya ho ode betimi ye interchange ba ko mienu miensa da ebedu baby na eventualities enya ba okay ene enwie ba ko ansa ya sanko ba ko itinye afini na ana enfedumo a obedi no ena betimi dia ye project ni na yes it is true
but I don't know how to complete most of the project if you are not doing it project we now when we are some because look at this interchange they are preparing for say so
line yes Dinah that is the mistake sir politicians NDC MPP I will never sit here to say so MPP BBA ni eyema yen ana nyame adum MPP ye BBA there be me ntwa santro no unless a national planning commission etimi bomodin e wa sa niyama ni firi ho na nyi na ya ntwene se gibi ye bia ye mo man na Dinah aka ebe ko enim ye be service kaso you say ye e body say NDC be transfer opeso no ye the project ni nke say NDC project ni MPP yesu ye ba ye be say yesu ye the project it doesn't make sense and it doesn't help and no emwa ekyo man no empunto ko akire eti Dinah ye ka MPP NDC ye debate no I will never lie said me betra na maka bibia say bibia ye mayen an MPP ye ba ye ya ye bibia wie no ABC da ye guso ayeye
okay aka mi sima ka krep na me
ko mama enchira de mu NDC mrantie NDC communicators ye mfa atro nchire ye we are taught to take the fact and present the fact as it is. And some of my figures and bobo yin, I know you some be kutu free between. I've read them and I'm a true.
But do you hear some people are saying it sometimes you don't take the fact?
I don't know who has sat anywhere and will be cast as such a TB.
Most of
me say omo cano min TB, but me do be challenging me on this program. Send you make this facts and the more budget statement in here. Budget. And it's all part in your true more through the year, part in Tessa. Now, secondly, bien and waka say MDC MDC for your project project event to us. It is also not true. Yeah, MPP for your project you buy a trust we are yet young winning now quiet me about 80% asantimemoha so asqua highway no asqua interchange ekokobi another president Koowaa starting no IG internal generated fund sika bi ni baby e dey your money sika ne e puchi me e dey when the president Koowaa ekwane to me NDC aban ni be wie ma ka fa so yes yen ye bi ye ma kwa fa ka fa so president Koowaa pillars me ensa kwa wantimi ensi enwie yen ye ba I'm telling you me patcho whatever me say as well I have a proof to it. That's why I'm saying that president Koowaa pillars kwa ba e dey kwa ne be fa so wansi enwie yen any baby ni nyina bie tu maka fast any wo so wansi miensa kra wansi pillars miensa mpo anwie banka so wansi miensa wanwie miensa ko start here any tu aban ye ba ye no na president amos ka say oboye enche mo de muska ya enche so for la interchange kamenga ye mo mfi wo kai mekai ya enti ye nye be wie ye so for la ye be wie maka fast askwa nye be wie maka fast bi san say NDC askwa interchange NDC ne be wie ye askwa interchange ye wie ye mama church went every way for so Raga highway president my fast hey as interchange Mr. President Kufuor na start here
ono wie ye die tum ja say
team Diana o start here be
Diana aso na rebata
o start here be
just for so
project start 207 ye to bani 209 208 one year for interchange ye ne be ye boni din kasampa President Kufuor won sanu adwuma ni bi ne abewie ye ko bia na ya President Kufuor Jubilee Fields President Kufuor na start here ye wie Jubilee Fields but what must ye wie Jubilee so ye Atamos e ko bia no ye ne abewie ye Atamos e ko bia no for President Kufuor di na chile ni
I know that
e dey project na NDC aya MPP ababa to asaka so omo na wie da project be kaso interchange ya na ye wie ya de Dubai Circle Dubai ya na ye wie ya de KJTS we John Mama sanu adwuma enso PPP for person dey credit Mama John Mama say KJTS we John Mama na start
na say dey bia mo candidate
Adams ayan me say ayan
o ka say is excellent
enso to na form dey John Mama nsi ni ye na enso to na ho ye enso to dey John Mama na ye atro bebrebe we na so dey o na boka
Lady Diana ayi motia na maka se mi de
abai
say MPP na NDC ehen yere homan
anya ye enna
ye nyina la
no but listen I will disagree on this content please no na one by please let me please Shayan and your proof
NDC MPP ye me ha homan no what I say ye ma NDC for sika so mu fancy Kumawu hospital very big hospital Kumawu o fa sika no enye hospital no sika o say we the whole hospital no o man timi ewie MPP ye ba ye please MPP ye ba ye ye guso ya pebose a ye di ye Kumawu hospital same as Tromina enti se me ka se MPP NDC ye ho man na wona wo ho man ese se wo jibidi
enka ho mi
o ka be kwa hospital
you are all of you
efo ye omuja ne ho ye discani na de ba omo fa iska no omo nwie be kwa hospital ye ba me be to aso Diana
please
over fee Segrame housing project omo si die 5,000 ye the 5,000 unit house sika na de ama NDC for almost 1,007
to me
almost 1,007
Mama that's what I want to talk
please almost 1,007 and now it's at court sure yinta make say MPP ye nyanya ye ba o man ye be ye niye NDC nyanya o man no be niye na so du baby a na politicians ye no kure no en court say ye pe no Diana okay say President Akufo-Addo o say the way a yensuo say it is see ye bo mo de na galamsey ye jai okay say ye koto aba no NDC for kogu ni wadi biase ene baby a ye tu galamsey na aka kire mo say kokubo hen so dim kokubo hen a deputy communication yes kokubo hen from just so those days o say hey muntu esase no mo say no muntu god no muntu na NDC for muntu aba mayen so choma ba ye be mo ye galamsey ni sa hwe it is a make say politicians ye how mine na Diana me try na ye how mine no because mo any opportunity a mo pese mo ni oman ni fa kwan bi ya so amope MPP ye any opportunity a you say ye na ebo oman no eni so du ba bi a na ye mu bi susu ni ye niam bi a enko bo oman no enti politicians no ye how mine no se ye sisa ye niam ye na se ye dwene se Jackson Frigana mi so mi Frigana eye ne ya ye nchi ni Ghana enti sisa ye hwe niam ye ni ye bo ma Ghana peja anka be boa ye Diana anka be boa ye na ye be tro radio so be tro TV so a na ne betimi aye abo oman ye project oman ye tinama development akos oman mu na ye nianu mu bi so ya de ensem fata ye se chiri ka che omo no na ye be bo ma ba so ye ntimi nka ne bossa betimi aye e bossa ye be ko ye chi e bossa ne ti ABCD ni mu e no ntimi mwa itimi sime se ye na ye opportunity a ye nka sempa ye nka ye betimi am oman ni mpuntu akwa anim se ye betima ye twantro ene se ye twantro a onu benye bi aka mi so benye den benye bi aka ebe boa ye na
Jackson
yeah
ye na for ni sem
no kwase me wo ne se enye politician bia na o say ne ma wo MPP politician
so NDC for my baby
telling you me ba dey na ndc asem
was everything cool with
it say ye na ye ne pa asom Ghana man and the one dey anu ni atro ethnic media for be here back e kan say gu ye fua yes that say be announce abẹ no now we entertainment shows now in the political space now for when be actually minia e MPP for the media for be etena ase e bo po say ye John Mahama mfasi kama media for ni oh enunti tio enunti ombe media kaba etia ye and omo ne MPP for kon nakrana but oh say because of that in time say say omo aban na promise an ya aban po ye nation builders o de ye fa Ashanti region ade bia de sha Ashanti region mo nyam bia ndisi aban ene ye Kumasi akwaya kasia e fa nyina ye ndisi aban na ye
which of them
fa squad from fa safo limens kwa ye no ho nyina ka se kufo na ma me ka kufo ba Kumasi na ko tania how many years you are dodging jam make asa ma me kama sem re say ubi so bia akwan papa wo Kumasi nyina e ndisi aban
ene be
me na me ka kire wo one other thing hospital send this aban si ede ne saka wa Ashanti region for me hospital ye ne ebubu ya ne esesia ye Tepa hospital ye wie 90% ye wie omba no be bia no after the hospital 80% completed so we are hospital where it is a kro enyema wenya jo mama ye ma Asante man enya mu fenti na modi atogu so uba ye ka ko wie hospital be na jo mama chance ya akufo do wie da okobubu la hospital la general hospital ko bugu ye wa ba na jo mama bu rich hospital bu egu esin ultra modern happy before ni mudwa yeso be bubu la hospital ni abe ni kwa kra ko la hospital ye bubu egu no news conference. So the truth of the matter is say NDC aban at the papa be a sha sentiment mu nya NDC Ratu Park owi sa asase na Ratu ye dey Ratu Park no your mama ko hu sa project no Dubai e no be na sentiment keje tia na esi ho no your mama ko hu no Brazil no be na sentiment wo ye we nyina tia ta me ka se ta ma your mama ye keje tia na keje tia de before man ni bia pa mo to ase e buru ni nwia so be tu galam say ye wi e ho na corporate stores wo ho ye ya de man ye mu fa kam kro ni nye adwon bone e wo people e kwofo wo ma to about Ashanti region ye ya de man wo nya mu fa tra kufa do bai no wa nya no because ya mba npa bone mu be ni
so now you come here to campaign say they should vote for you if some ya de man
somebody na jo ma ye nema mo no obi ya de ahun the least you can do is money yo okay wo money yo and no mu gune ni mu ase no ma de ahomete ka asem ene it has come to light say wo ka MPP and chere ejapade a wo ma ya ma Asantema e betimi de ensa kan and akofo those regime 8 years one chere won nya ba kokora fan chere
all right so thank you so much
market ma kuma akofo na me manusi market ma kuma akofo 5 na akofo do ma sima Asantema akofo do market way Koowaa is center of commerce
so it should be let's just resource akofo is market
now on the blue
market
market then ye wie as market ye wie enya do ma kama hu market aka fast ye da
ye ba
fa na me ka tell enya do ma ko hu market aka so a enso ta won se sa won yemo fo ye ba ye hiya pa wa hwe se wo ba ni consistency na kokokoben I'm saying Kokobin appeared in your Follicrum consistency, not Kokobin. Yes. Diana, what community hospital are you seeing? Agenda 111. Ashanti region kwa hospital akese 31. Ashanti region kwa hospital akese 31. And the Kokobin hospital Kokobin who be consistency now who hospital abiness ya. Diana we show.
Okay.
I want to say hey, let's say Juma Kosudi and we are going to bring the Victoria pictures are mun na mo be dey mu be hu ye betan ne de anoka mu ta hu projects ya ye na Asantema
ha for Papa Bernard store sta me corner me kofa me cause but before then happy birthday Nkoma Louis Ajamano owo Middle East of both Turkey and of course the UAE and you know happy birthday Nkoma nyame new free adumo Louis Ajamai. Well, maybe you realize that to premier in Samaya can also forward for brand na yanko. Obama so now with you name with television sets no na you know with you phone so send a metal one can clear. So give me a call. Yakasa be brave Frame now wants for adventure Fabra. No insults, nothing. Let's go really nicely. What you say? Frame na young koye couple of messages about will be in my na making kind back me no be Mawa and son na Mako Medi and pay. I'm going on Facebook. Okay, do I have a call on the line? No. Over to me after. Oh, what's happening? Oh, the Facebook is not really opening this morning. Okay. Hello. Pacho didn't be a friend me free.
Because of that, you
ain't tell pay.
You me promise me you must make your family abroad Ghana. Me promise me the same people me say after the one to back to 31. Now that you always say. Why you know me say? I'm so you papa yesterday. I don't support the one make a matter. You know all over the Ghana. On beyond and Japan. On beyond the cut so you know where you talk to. Set to point at Dubai. On beyond and there. Casual one on Dubai so. Now more people go to a country before when you have to my party 31 and what yes wrong when you come to from the you specifically what card you might get in your money everything can everybody so I say okay country be my 31 Magana me am and let's see the proper be Magana for I think the proper be Magana until I am I'm very old when I'm with you. I'm very proud. When you do that, what are you doing? I'm seeing the back and I'm going to do it. If you can't want to know, you will take it for a hundred.
That's about it. That's Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Maybe I try and see one of pay.
Martin Ladase. Momente, maybe anything. Wakapa, communication. In case of very sad. About line of the ma. About Adeno. The same community. About the ma, Kokoseki. Kokoseki, John Bonimpi. I know the did not follow. I quite there. Mediano or the kid now monorail. And I say, and this is for now my about yet to me at the papa. But I have to be for about Reno. I want to do that. That's not about you know. Oh, and this is for yet that's the yet to come up. I saw about power at Bemu. But I won't be so happy before I put about my house at Bemu. What was that in the beer? Untuk apa mau dia? Awasan cebari. Awasan cebari itu apa? Ada macam itu semua. Tanya perlu terima dia nak. Mana tu? Umur dia ni dia pun tak apa nak bayar awasan cebari. Asal kita tak apa mahu ya. Mama dia orang bye.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Me ba jo me ho ye na swear.
years teacher, your man is 50 years. My friend is from NBC, friend is from Lebanon of Ghana. You can 8 years, I think 8 years teacher. So, if you 8 years of Papa. So, Mama, the Mama, if you 8 years teacher, you're not 50 years, no, friend is about there. We are the taco. Because as it's also about power. It's about the company. So, yeah, a family, it's all the media. You need the empty friendly as you before and before. Look at the beautiful Ghana, woman is Ghana. So, it's Mr. Mother, about the
yeah, that's it. Also, do I have, of course, I have, I think, 7 more minutes to go into free na yonko. I do. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, to me, engineer. So, Okay, I have a caller. Hello, good morning.
It is a good morning.
Kobe Faye, I see it, you are not pay.
Yeah, it's a what about the power of the and then the catcher NBC and the NBC no good in margin to also you will function and go.
Why?
Yes, it's a man, this time you need to come here. Then I know come here to you have several days to be a good trouble. And you must be a minimum for it. You usually get an interest as I tell you, good. How many more? We had bank a trouble a channel agency, this time around, everybody said you know. My friend,
for Swajincha, what day about? I'm supposed to be my for a few more minutes to go, so call me. Jackson is there. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Medicine, I'm from the side.
Yakubu, I don't know where and answer.
Yamiad more, wow, near Bema, a piano back with nice.
And then I until Bakwai.
Yes, quite. Move any of my pa. I'm out. You I beg your phone and go from station of I'm not the car mine and I was put I'm saying news for the common. Now, I can make a empty phone and let the hammer papa. Now, young kind of crunch from one. I mean, I got us under the quiet. Say, there's another cost in our million or that. Koowaa, that you would do no. I'm saying you may be a waiver. I don't know, can matter as I'm quite hospital where even empty before the year and more empty before, but I come with that with your skill children. Government hospital, the first hospital, they knew what I am. I can't bond the hospital, easy. If you work out, if you not steady any kind of corner, more personally, work come on. They say a new woman with the winner. Say that name, I come with that to it. Okay, you know, you didn't see any information with the when you go
Alright, you better say, I don't pay, of course, me for last caller now. Memrana may wrapping up. I have a couple of messages for Hannah, main king can answer my call. Hello, last caller. Hello, good morning. Okay, on time camp at your money fristo. Now, mamma for me to me home where you I have this message. Last call and by I'm Brad saying that the boy watching us live inside of Boise. I'm here. Okay, last caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, didn't baby our friend me free. Alright, you ain't one up. I know man, so come me.
Okay, you Pacho, the MPP minister propaganda ne atsono endorsed go atsono endorsed 2012 omudidi ni the traffic kumase kwa mu se mi paso ni kutu kore gbada ayo mi pesi aso nipa omu film kase ni enso obi se fa mu kumase ko die ni so omu kontra bentia na sa kwesi ni pese enkoma Dr. Bayemia wọ́n fẹ́ yẹn fa ọmọ ẹni máa nọ náà ọmọ ẹsẹ̀ ọmọ ẹni ebi tí yẹn ọmọ ẹni yẹn ń kọ so nípa tí wọ́n mọ̀ ní ká yẹn tí yẹn ní àmọ́ ẹ̀kọ́nọ́mì ní ẹ̀ntì yẹn nìgbẹ́ àmàgbọ́n ní ilé ẹ̀fà àwòdì náà ẹ̀gbẹ́ ọmọ ẹni mi mọ̀ náà níbi tí yẹn kọ́sì ẹ̀mí ẹ̀mọ́ nínú ní nípa MPP ní sẹ́ ọ̀n sáńkọ́ mọ́ Dr. Bayemia.
Yàtì All right then. Minim so what's your when it's happy paper. Me fa ko bia ebi man pay. Yvonne Mentor says that a good morning, sweetheart Diane, and your entire crew. Good morning to you as well. Of course, the Yvonne came back says that is a good, explanation from the MPP. Yvonne came back to see why I keep saying NDC don't actually want to come to power again. They keep on telling lies to the public, because I don't actually see anything wrong with that. This from Yvonne, they came back to say that my question is that is interchange a job for the people? Please say what you people will do for the people when you actually come back to power. I'm not in support of the MPP NDC, but I want NDC people to actually tell us what they will do for their country. Moving on, this NDC man can actually lie. I'm here. Fast forward. Yvonne said that the NDC and MPP are all the same. So Ghanaian people should vote for different party if they actually ask men. Politicians, pastors, and comfort are all the same people, and they are the ones actually spoiling the country. Well, I think the same messages came a lot. Let me come here. This is the SMS that came in. BBC said, Diane, good morning. As compared to MPP and NDC, for me, even if it takes the whole 8 years for MPP to be in power, they are more better than NDC. Mahama is coming for just one term to destroy everything. You Ghanaians make the mistake and bring them back, and you will smell pepper. This is from Kelly. Kelly says that I am good morning. Of course, listen to Jackson has shocked me this morning. I know that he doesn't behave like this. So why, Jackson? Tell me. Let us all tell Ghanaians what your party will do when they come back to power. It goes on and on. Yakade, my break. And okay, I have 1 minute. No, that's your call.
And then I'm so fortunate in your Furukum affair. We move Furukum constituency. And Furukum constituency. And then the Furukum to Furukum. Callers now vindicated Furukum winning. Furukum and this. Chama Gareba. And I feel me PC, the parliamentary candidate, Sadat and Well, or no, and ever consult the magic in the Furukum constituency for NDC. Now, for me, team fearless. Ubo Furukum, hey, team fearless. MPP for team fearless. Oh, I want to set the home. Oh, I want to say team fearless. Send any actual more. Hey, you're more from Sa. Okay, okay, Baba.
Diana, BGD is a television, so the trouble. Jackson, I can say, yeah, share MPP for a television, so the trouble. Because you need more tricks, no? We ba no market was mon frère NBC fortress we know yes as of for no also frère na ka say money frère na ka say money as of for ni bi Diana obi e test message so we need pado do e test by that's it politics hanete na enokre ne hia se ne be ya o man chechire ne ebe koyi Diana ni pe brew ni pebre ene na wo se ye dwene ho se ne ye be ya ye betimi asoso ma omo ho ahare omo kakra ni pe hwehwe free politicians we ni enye ne ye be ka ni gidigidi a na ye wurajo mama 4 years o de be den ye wurajo mama o de no de babe ono so krampo na Ghana fo ya bo no ho kapa obi a wa be assemblyman wa be MP for 12 years wa be deputy minister wa be minister wa be vice president wa sa be president and na man dwuma and na open wasasi so and na man dwuma Jackson Nyabotre it make sense say Jackson say ofori kro won be city dey free SM na sa ba bi ye to abade wi a obe boy se mama me so ofori kro
say of course and I pay or say ye ko no I brass the PC and come what do for you for something quick was so and adore for Vigo plus one so no you better one no more I say I no pay for being there baba I mean in shower don't sign papa dey ye nyamwa and cabo be actually ti yakofo It's Shamo Papa, of course, the production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Rassam Dark, with my director, Yakwesi Adomako Junior OG, famous any face of, and a bomb Chidom L MCR. Starting to make I would say, producer extraordinaire, Jake Darling, the adorable Jake ever. Good morning to you, boss. Yakupo Unshao. And Madakra now, Obeka Selgumas, Yan in the team. Papa and paper, not sure. I love you for that. God bless you so much for whom you have made me become. Yes, Yakupo is Papa. And I'll be a fan of a many woman, Eddie Juma, a Madiana, a Mira James, Agri, Fifi, Sean, I'm some Boba, going to count to me, Ambo, a Nana.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
The
first, yeah.
MPP Regional Communications Team Member, Security Analyst, the second Vice Chairman of Oporikrom Constituency.
Thank you.
I am the adorable Jackson Pra or NDC Communications Member.
So that's
for Medidi Diane. I do hear Jemfi quiet, and I don't do me a board on co-op and wish Yami say 104.1 Medicumaso Constitution, a baby somewhere watch none of Yakramunina. Bye.
Me and Miss Bayario, Timaya Majus and your quadrast on a Macopedra. Oh, how to trap. Make our food dory for we go plus amount. Sell Jeonoma, a boost to new system. Make sure I come with Janoshi, the canoe serious one, a putty iron getting kitty pia. Me and Miss Bayario, Timaya Majus. Me and Miss Bayario, Timaya Majus and your quadrast on a Macopedra. Oh, how to trap. Make our food dory for we go plus amount. Sell Jeonoma, a boost to new system. Make sure I come with Janoshi, the canoe serious one, a putty iron getting kitty pia fully pedrian. Sarah na me kunu complain say ne honam nyina ya ne ja na me ma no dory for we go plus no a boost.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Bramedi unche 4 days ya. Na unwu bi wanu a 666. Mami can't know. Mimi nyesa that material no.
Then or then I catch you say. Could do 1 day. Mama tell could do 4 days. Ain't it can abuba home ma home be bre. So one. Say no time me buy.
Obrano. When yashi and free me ho. And I menya bibi dia bro.
Hey! Mammy, when you them? When you them, pa. 84 days now could do better just when yashi. Me jawka.
And ye aboit you. Aboit you.
Me brand no frabo chaba now. Si katari tari no hono. What's best watch me say when yashi? San of us catch him no, but when you them? When you them, pa. Wouldn't mamma me bra, and who are my woman do a quasawa, or why some son.
And I want him to send me some my uncle to one one in a nama, or who bugger no me be a jack, or me be a gate, no me real.
What come at it? Or no so on worry.
Mamma can't you O'Brien and you're not so worrying you. Mimi woman all pay success now, Miss Penny.
Me my mistake. I may always my mistake. Why, to the fatcher me. Oh. Father me ne maybe was all the chairman yes made me nam den call for why so the bit here say the minimum glass so into me
Na James you super so home. What is it?
We dey new born bia. Encommodate the ya. E be hye we kan one prensa. No wa shembo se wo ku bia wo dem beko. Bra. So see me dey tell baby aso kwa wo so ku die. 100% sure say them beko. Bra, and go say ya come. I feel wait here. Bra, my brother come on the family. Miss Ronnie Dina on Brazil. Bra,
no, sorry, tender.
Tender,
sorry.
Yes.
Tender, I was open them. Open them, aquahin.
Me qua brutally, bra.
Oh, so sad. In Shani near Monadie. No inside in your house, my Dakra, the whole day I've been calling. Friend Bezio, a friend migration. Even your passport is on the background, my real passport in every. What is left now? No say, me kwana ko jibesa and come say tender. My uncle.
Oh, Raddy. Yes.
You see, in this life, you have to be wary and be careful about a naked man who always give you clothes. A proverbial dialogue be a mood to power quabontin a bisa. Let me say me a penny, maintain the son to find family touch man's alpha. Let me catch us a pa. Yeah, when you force somebody to give you something out of pressure, the thing is not a gift, it's a curse. To wase, nare tutu anamoye. And then secondly, tender, grab to do. Oh Jesus. O casa do, o sheba enio. Matiti bebre, go for frames, tenders with the Nico tender.